In today's video, I am here to give you an answer to the question you have asked. And peradventure you didn't ask me this question, but you have it in mind because this is a property we're still selling and some people have bought into it. So you see that it is raining so heavily. Honestly, I am pretty much soaked. I am here to show you guys if this estate is currently flooded. Yes, you are going to see it live and direct. And it is no other than the Avocado Luxury and Smart Estate. So come along with me, let's go see. From the Lekki-Epe Expressway, I'm going to be doing a drive-through to the estate and then show you what is happening within the estate as it's been raining heavily. It's been a very heavy downpour all day today, and of course we just have to do this inside the rain. So I want you to watch this video till the very end. So come, let's go to the Avocado Luxury and Smart Estate located in Abidjan, GRA. So here we go. Straight down is Awoyaya, but we're not going to where we're going straight into Abidjan GRA. So this is Abidjan GRA. I did an update video back then showing you guys this gates entrance that's been done and which is a good one. Now they have another entrance. Yes, Abidjan GRA has multiple entrances, but two basic ones, which they also have done that. All right, so we're going to be seeing what's happening. You know, there's one thing. It's one thing for the environment where you're staying to be flooded when it rains or not to be flooded. And there's another thing for the estate where you live to either be flooded or not be flooded. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be showing you the two. Now, I'll be showing you this environment first of all. In terms of this part of Abidjan GRA, you will see, you're seeing life, what it is looking like. And that is why me and my team have taken the pain of being beaten. As I'm talking to you, I've been drenched. Practically I'm drenched, but it's okay, it's all worth it because it's all about bringing value to you guys, as we have promised that we're going to be your eyes and ears around this neighborhood, and we're going to be showing you guys the things you need to know, the real things you need to know, beyond all the facade of marketing gimmicks and all of that. The live things you need to know, the real information you need to harm yourself as an investor when you're investing in these places, and then it can help you make informed decision. You know, it is one thing to know, have an information about some place and know that okay, I'll prepare myself to deal with this thing. As much as I don't like it, I will get prepared. But then it's another thing not to even know at all. So, ladies and gentlemen, remember the road network I did? I showed you guys this guy. You see, it's functional. And then we just keep going. Now, an upgrading needs to be done to this road, no doubt. This road needs to basically be worked on, and so that we can enjoy a smooth ride. But larger part, it's okay. So yeah, sorry the screen. I mean, you guys can see it's been raining all day today. It started at the early hours of the day and it's still raining, as you can see. And from the weather forecast, I don't think it's gonna stop. So yeah, this is what this part of Abidjan GRA looks like on a very heavy raining day. Yes, heavy raining day. So the question is, have you bought into the Avocado Luxury and Smart Estate? Are you intending to buy into it? And this is still the time you should come and buy into it. I mean, let's call it spade a spade. Look at it. It's not flooded. The environment is not flooded at all. Can you guys see? Up close and personal. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? It's not flooded at all. See? It's not at all. So yeah, this plaza will be open for use very, very soon. Now what this means, I think the shop is even about to be opened already. So what this means is that you have everything you need within this environment when you leave. Okay, so I'll have to look for somewhere else. I think we have to take somewhere else. So this point, there's a big pothole here that we need to pass the other lane. So we have to go through, just maneuver there. easy. Okay, so we have to cross and use the other lane because there's a big pothole there, and of course because the water has covered it, we wouldn't know. Just keep going straight like this, use this lane. We wouldn't know what we can or what we get into, not to damage the car. So let's just keep going. We're about to approach the Avocado, and now you can see. So like I said, this is to show you guys what this environment looks like as it's raining. But most importantly, it's not just the environment, it's about the estate as well. We need to see, when we say this estate is not flooded, when we say they did a good job, is it true? Or is just we saying these things for marketing? Is it just we, telling you what you want to hear as an investor? Or we're saying the truth? Today, we're going to find this out and just put it to rest. You can see it live. That's why I said this video is not edited. It's not an edited video. It's live and direct, okay? That's why you can hear some small comments from here. All right, remember this shopping mall? For those of you who have been following us on different content we've created for this part, so we've done an overview video of this movement, and I can just show you guys. I'll put a link in the comment section so that you just look at it, what this place looks like when it's not raining and what it looks like when it's raining. Can you see? No flood whatsoever, zero flood. Look at the other lane, no flood whatsoever. No flood. So I'm approaching the Avocado now. I'm going to go in. We're going in from that gate. So I'm going to go in now and let's see what is happening right now in the estate. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we are at the Avocado, Luxury and Smart Estate. So we're just going to talk to the security and get a pass. Okay, so here we go. We're going in. Ladies and gentlemen, see? So I'm going to highlight from the car and take you guys around. Just take you guys around and see. Let's see what's happening here. Or show you the details rather. So let's take a very quick dip around. Now this is being done. This has been on construction for a while now. How you guys see? And of course, more work is being done as it is. However, we're going to concentrate on the flood in the area, right? To be sure that this place is not flooded. I'm just here to show you guys that it's not flooded. Oh my God. Okay. So let me take you guys around. You have to go and take the second umbrella. Oh shit. Okay. All right, so oh my God, I'm sorry, my umbrella just did some drama. Anyway, so quickly I just want to show you guys this. So I'm going to just go around now. Can you see? Zero flood. Zero flood. No any single, can you guys see? Zero flood. Can you see? So like I said, I'm going round. I'm going to go round as much as I can to show you guys live. So this is it. When we say that you should buy into the Avocado Luxury and Smart apartment, and assure you that it's a well-built project and that you will not experience any form of flooding here, you can see this for yourself. Like I mentioned, it's been raining for hours and we've had multiple rain happening before now. Can you see? Can you guys see? Can you see? Can you see? Okay, let's go round. We're going to go round. So it's not an edited video, it's a live video, even though oh my God. Okay. Okay, some of you might be wondering why am I laughing. This is also the time you will know that your beautiful umbrella is not so beautiful. Oh God, yeah, it's windy as well. So I'm back to here where I started, and then I'm just going to walk you guys through the back of this this block. So if you're interested in buying, there are units still selling right now. 1 bedroom is still available for sale. I mean, I just did show you guys that now, that foundation being done of another block. So here we go. See, I'm sure you guys can hear the sound of this rain. I'm literally drenched. Like, anyway, well, let's just get this done with. Okay, so like I said, 1 bedroom apartment is still up for sale. 2 bedroom is up for sale, still available. The 3 bedroom is still available. In fact, the 24 months payment plan is still available. So any rental income, this is a very good place to buy and earn rental income. See, even this, let's even, okay, so let me even show you the part that is not interlocked. You see the one that is interlocked, see it, and then see this part that is not interlocked. Can you guys see? See, let's give it to Landmark Corporate Realty Limited. They did a fantastic job here. They did a fantastic job. Of course, there are still quite a lot of things that needs to be put in place here. No doubt. It's not a fully functional estate yet, but trust me, these are fundamental things that one needs to know. I know of a block of apartments around the Kota that during this rainy season, first of all, they can't even access their houses like this. They can't walk around the way I'm walking around. They who burn them, like you like the way we talk about, we say things here. Who burn them? They will have to park their cars not outside the gate of the estate, but in few 2, 3, 4 streets. 2, 3, 4 streets away from their estate. So going out is a problem. They will have, I always pity them. When I pass through, I'm like, oh my God. Oh my God. I can't remember the estate's exactly name, but it's owned by, or by Legushi, I think. Yes, they say it's owned by the Legushi family. But that estate, I'm sorry, mentioning this name, I hope it don't put me into trouble anyway. What I'm saying is always flooded. Always. This rainy season, people living there, they are sad. I don't know why. And you know, these are the things that happen when you rent a house or buy a property and don't know the true information when it rains. And this is why I'm doing this. This is why myself, my team are here drenched. Some of them are even shivering. One is already very cold. Because we want to show you. We've shown you the dry season, but I want to show you the rainy season. What you're getting yourself into is very, very important. You don't want to be staying in a place where when it rains, you cannot function. You know, you cannot practically function. You see, so I've walked you through the entire place. Here we go. This is the generator house right here. Okay, so you see, I've walked you guys through it all. See, through it all. So let's go back from here. So this is also an update video for those of you who bought into this property as well. And even if you don't buy from me, I'm sure you're excited about this, right? I'm super, not just excited, I'm super proud to have sold and still selling this property. Because I mean, this is life and direct. I don't even know what to expect, but I just know and I have faith in the brand that they've done a good job. So this is really good. This is really good. This is the second season of rain that this estate is witnessing. And ladies and gentlemen, can you see how dry everywhere is? Can you see? So yes, like I said, 5 million naira initial deposit is all you need to buy into this estate. The environment is not flooded, the estate is not flooded, so you have peace of mind. The title is confirmed. It's a sea of old land, no trouble, no encumbrance, you have flexible payment plan. You can pay within 6 months, 0 interest. You can even buy now and get your units allocated based on what you are buying, and what's available at the time, because we still have some of these units that have not been allocated. Okay, so you can get an instant allocation and start earning rental income immediately. So I'm going to take you guys, stick with me please. I'm taking you guys back to the gatehouse. So let's get back to the gatehouse. I definitely now need a hot tea and probably some aboliki for my chairs. Okay, So here we go. I'm back here to the front of the great house, and I want to say thank you to everybody who watched this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's been a delight showing you guys this. Okay, so hey, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. I mean, look at me. Anyway, I hope it's totally worth it. What do you guys think about this investment? And like I said, if you're interested in buying, we're still selling, and you should get on board now. Before you know it, you start hearing sold out, because this has been in the market for a while now. So put in the comment section, what do you think about this property? What do you think about the environment? And which other estate do you want us to go show you? Now, if it comes to showing you, it has to be an estate that is functional. People are living here already, so it has to be a place that is functional like this, not an empty land. If we go show you an empty land, of course you will meet some water in an empty land, but regardless, say it in the comment section. Which estate do you want us to go, or which environment do you want us to go? And then we'll just go straight there. You know why we ask this is because that way I'm just giving you a solution to what you need, or showing you what you need specifically, not just generally going by our own calendar. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for doing this with me. Yes, it's been amazing. Cold. It's been an amazing cold day. Thank you. My name remains Goodness Usman, the Queen of Landlord Maker, aka Latana. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, or when you call me, let me help you go through the process of owning an apartment right here in a zero flooded estate. And of course, I'm waiting for your call. Please ensure that wherever you're watching me for, that you remain safe and awesome, just the way you are. So I say to you, oh.